So, you're looking to buy a new snowplow for your 2007 to 2013 Silverado or Sierra 2500 HD. And you want to make sure you're getting the right plow that fits your needs. If you're watching this video, you're probably asking whether a plow such as the Western Pro Plus fits your truck and meets your plowing needs. You also probably want to know how easy it is to mount and dismount. Will you need to make permanent modifications to your truck to use the plow? How easy is the plow to control? Will your truck look like a Mad Max build when the plow's not mounted? I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck, and in this video, we'll begin to answer those questions. We'll talk about the blade type, construction, plow mount, and controls, and then make some recommendations about who this plow is and isn't for. But first, why listen to us anyway? I'm so glad you asked. Titan Truck has been upfitting trucks and vans for over 35 years, installing thousands of plows. We're also an authorized distributor and installer for Western, Meyer, and SnowDogg plows. In short, our team has probably seen and heard it all, so here's what you need to know about Western's Pro Plus Snowplow. Now, as you probably already know, there are three main types of snowplows: straight blade plows, such as the Pro Plus we're talking about in this video, V plows, and expandable plows. Each type of plow has its own advantages and disadvantages, but we cover that topic in another video, which is linked in the description below. Straight blade plows, like the Pro Plus, are probably the most common. They've been around the longest, and although they aren't the fanciest knife in the drawer, they just get the job done. But not all straight blade plows are created equal, and not all are designed for every vehicle application. We'll come back to that. Western's Pro Plus straight blade has a 31.5 inch tall mold board made from 12 gauge steel and is available in three different sizes: 8 foot, 8.5 foot, and 9 foot, all featuring Western's signature powder-coated red finish. Ooh, ah. However, like my mother always used to say, it's not all about looks, sweetie. You have lots of other great qualities. Thanks, Mom. Well, in the case of the Pro Plus, those other great qualities start with the plow's structure and reinforcement. It's no secret that snow can be heavy, and in larger spaces such as parking lots, the weight of the snow you're pushing can add up fast, causing some plows to twist or even completely buckle. Fortunately, all three sizes of the Pro Plus utilize 8 vertical ribs, a heavy-duty quadrant, and the exclusive Western power bar to reinforce the mold board and eliminate that blade twist under load. So that means that the Pro Plus can handle pretty much any snow load that will fit in its blade. But what about impact protection? Well, the Pro Plus has 4 heavy-duty coil springs that allow the blade to trip when it hits an obstacle, along with dual shock absorbers that soften the tripped blade's return, protecting and extending the lifespan of your plow and truck. All right, so how much of a hassle will it be to mount and dismount the Pro Plus? Will you need to make permanent modifications to your truck? Will it look like this when it's done? The Pro Plus uses Western's fully mechanical UltraMount 2 system. The plow receiver mounts underneath your truck's front bumper and features easily removable brackets when it comes time for the off-season. Notice how discreet the mount is. Unless someone's looking for it, most people won't even notice the mount if the blade isn't attached. All right, so how does this mount work? Well, attaching the plow is simple. Once your truck is in position, release the shoe handle, remove the lock pin, and rotate the assembly up. Once you've done that for both sides, plug in the electrical connections, and boom, you're done. Detaching the plow is just as easy. Unplug the electrical connections, pull the lock pin, rotate the assemblies back down, and then push the shoes down. With both a handheld cab command push-button controller and a smaller joystick controller, Western lets you choose which interface style is the best fit for you. All right, let's talk about the Pro Plus as it relates to your truck and who this plow is and isn't for. With 3 different blade sizes available, the Pro Plus is designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, from class 2 to 5 trucks to skid steers and tractors. However, adding an additional 1,000 pounds of weight to the front of a vehicle doesn't come without caveats. These plows are rigorously tested to ensure that both plow and truck can still operate safely under both normal driving and plowing conditions without exceeding the weight rating of your front axle. There are a lot of factors that play into this, such as your truck's engine size, engine type, cab size, bed length, and axle weight ratings. Now, in our experience, the Pro Plus fits most configurations of the gasoline 2500 HD and certain configurations of the diesel 2500 HD. In fact, it's one of our favorite plows to recommend for commercial use, both for independent snow removal contractors and larger commercial fleets. I mean, this really is a contractor grade plow. It does say that on the sticker after all. In general, the Pro Plus will not fit most half-ton trucks, and this is probably a bit overkill if you're someone who's just looking to plow your driveway a few times a year. Now, to verify whether the Pro Plus will fit your specific configuration, go to titantruck.com/fitmytruck. Now, in addition to knowing your cab configuration, bed length, engine type, and size, you'll also need to know your axle weight ratings. If you're not sure how to find this or have other questions on how to make sure a plow fits your truck, we've put together an in-depth video on the topic that's also linked in the description below. Again, you can see a full list of plows from multiple brands that fit your truck's exact configuration by going to titantruck.com/fitmytruck. Don't see the Pro Plus in the results for your configuration? Take a look at the Pro Plow Series 2 or the midweight straight blade snowplows. We have videos on both of them linked in the description below. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Western's Pro Plus Snowplow or what other snowplows fit your truck, reach out to us using the information on the screen. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.